A 3-day bike-a-thon raises money for a Purdue student in need. News Channel 18's Laura Kirtley has the story.
Pedal by pedal, the brothers of Pi Kappa Phi fraternity are helping one of their own. Over 3 days, hundreds of miles have been logged and thousands of dollars raised for David Feltner. Feltner was diagnosed with a rare form of soft tissue cancer for the 4th time. As a result, doctors had to go in and remove one of his eyes. He also lost his sense of smell. Feltner is now in need of an assistance dog to help him stay as independent as possible.
Basically, this assistance dog is going to make him more independent. If there's a fire in the house, it'll let him know. It can do a couple other chores for him.
His fraternity brothers put together a bike-a-thon to raise money for Feltner and the Riley Children's Hospital.
And the first day, within 5 hours, we had met our goal of $5,000. It was really awesome just to see the number of people that came out and supported us. And knowing that the extra, that money is going towards David and then the extra money is going towards another good cause, it's a really great feeling.
For a $25 donation, someone rode the bike for an hour. But for $50, a member of the house volunteered to shave his head.
Random people will come up and donate money and sit down on the bike for a little bit. And so that's really great just to see that people are willing to give their time to a good cause like this.
The guys say they've been overwhelmed by the donations. In all, they've raised more than $9,000.
We just needed something that we could do that was tangible to show, hey, David, we support you, buddy. Keep on keeping on.
Laura Kirtley.
In total, the fraternity raised nearly $10,000 from the bike-a-thon.